All right, everybody. This is Mr. Marketing here, as with Mr. Cryptocurrency Clint Guy. What's going on, buddy?
I'm doing good, man. I'm excited about what's going on in the cryptocurrency space right now.
Absolutely, absolutely. A lot going on in the industry right now, and we're excited to be a part of that. Right now, we're launching another business here in the cryptocurrency industry, a brand new site, nolocrypto.com. Right now, you can get more information about it at nolocrypto.info. We're getting ready to have our pre-ICO sale. We're going to get our token out in the market, and what our token allows you to do is access our platform, which is going to be a cryptocurrency exchange and a marketplace. Give you the ability to purchase and sell, as well as trade Bitcoin, as well as various altcoins, other coins within the cryptocurrency industry. And so we're excited about our website. What we're doing is combining several different, what's traditionally been known as several different types of cryptocurrency businesses into one site. And so before, if you wanted to become a trade cryptocurrency, you would have to purchase that cryptocurrency on one site like Coinbase or local Bitcoins. Then you would have to, if you wanted to trade those coins or exchange them for other altcoins, you would have to use a site like Poloniex, Bittrex, sites like that. And so what we're doing is combining the marketplace to purchase coins, as well as the exchange to be able to exchange and trade those coins for other coins, all into one exciting, state-of-the-art, easy-to-use platform. And so in addition to that, you'll be able to catch up on all your cryptocurrency industry-related news. We'll have different tutorials on different things in the cryptocurrency industry. We'll also have a crypto card. You'll have the ability to get a debit card that's actually linked to your cryptocurrency wallet, so you can make everyday purchases anywhere that accepts Visa, MasterCard. You'll be able to use your card at those places and have it deducted directly from your cryptocurrency balance, as well as we'll have a multi-currency wallet. Instead of having several different wallets for all your different cryptocurrency stored on different digital wallets, you'll be able to have multiple coins in one wallet. You'll even have the ability to trade coins one from another directly from within the wallet. So we're excited about the different features that we're bringing to the market with our no fee, low fee, no low crypto. And so with that, I'll let Clint take over here. I've been talking quite a bit, but he'll kind of explain the different marketplaces that are out there, some of the ones that are major players in the market, and how you can go about getting started today if you wanted to purchase some Bitcoins. And what we'll do also, we'll put the links in the description to these sites so you can know exactly how to go in there and purchase those coins today. So we'll pull it up, and I'll let Clint take over here.
All right. All right. So this one, first up, it's localbitcoins.com. It's a very reputable site. It has been around for years, and it allows users to trade Bitcoins from peer to peer, using local Bitcoins as an escrow service to secure those Bitcoin. And that's for the security of both parties, the buyers and the sellers. And it's very easy on how to use it. Basically, you would just click on Quick Buy, because what we're going to do is buy Bitcoins very quick. You type in the amount you want to buy. Let's start with $100. It's definitely going to be in US dollars, and we're from the United States. And on all offers tabs. You just click on that tab there, and you will be able to scroll down to see all of the different types of forms of payments you can offer for those Bitcoins. I mean, everything from cash by mail to cash deposits into a bank account to gift cards and gift card codes. There's a variety of different sources. So you can pick whichever one serves you the best. So we're going to go cash deposit. It's one of the most commonly used ones. So you just click on cash deposits and search, and it'll bring you up to some of the vendors. And with the vendors, it'll list, each vendor has different terms. So it'll list which bank that you can use for the cash deposits. You see Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Credit Union, Zelle. There's a number of different banks. So you will pick whichever bank is closer to you with the lowest price. As you see, it starts from the cheapest price to the most expensive price. So you definitely will go with the cheapest price in the bank closest to you. So you would click on that trader to sell. Oh, well.
Yeah, it looks like it was on sale, quick sell instead of quick buy. And so we'll switch over to the buy. So, and it works similar to, so the same here. So.
Okay. And once you get to the trader, it'll list the trade terms. So at the top, it'll say cash only deposit. So that doesn't mean you want to go and deposit with a check or any other type of form of payment. You just want to do a cash deposit. And once you open the trade, they'll give you the account and the routing number. The good thing about local bits is once you open the trade, they will hold the Bitcoins in escrow. So if you make this deposit, you have to release those coins. They will release those coins once you make those deposits. So that's a good thing. And payment window, it usually gives an example of how long does it take for them to send the Bitcoins to you. So that's definitely something you want to pay attention to. Like this one has a 270-minute payment window. Some of them are far shorter, up to 30 minutes. Definitely want to look at the reviews on the trader and the trade limit as well. If you see this seller has a lot of positive reviews, has 100% feedback. So this is definitely a trader that you probably would want to purchase Bitcoins from.
And you can see here how he usually releases those coins on an average of 4 minutes. And so, you know, this is good to look at. So, you know, that once you purchase your Bitcoins, that you're not going to be sitting around for hours and hours waiting for those coins to get sent. And so just backing up a little bit where we talked about the payment window, what that is how long you have before you have to make a deposit after initiating a trade. And so he gives you a little over 4 hours that once you initiate this trade, before they cancel it, you have 270 minutes to, you know, go to the bank and make that deposit. Are you still there, Clint?
Yeah, yeah. Let's go to that's localbitcoins.com for you. The next option would be Coinbase. Coinbase is definitely a giant in the industry, very reputable, and it's the top choice if you want to buy Bitcoins using a debit or credit card. So basically, you would go to sign up or enter your email address. Most of the time, they're very secure, so they want your name, address, email. You set up a password, and in order for you to buy Bitcoins, you even have to verify your identification, so they can accept those debit or credit cards. So you would just send them a picture of yourself holding your ID, and that will allow you to purchase Bitcoins using your debit or credit card. And that's a good thing, because sometimes as American citizens, it's harder for us to purchase Bitcoins using your debit or credit card. Coinbase is that number one option if that's the route that you decide to go. Another positive thing about Coinbase, you can set it up for auto purchases. So let's say I wanted to do a dollar cost average. That's what that is purchasing a certain amount of Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum every month or every week over the course of time. And it'll automatically purchase those Bitcoins or purchase those Litecoins or purchase that Ethereum for you without even having to log in. So that's a good thing. So you can just watch your account build and grow over time.
Absolutely. And so it's extremely simple. Once you create that account on there, you just create the account, and once you do that, you can be able to go in there and just purchase. You load your debit card or credit card information onto the site, and you can purchase using your credit or your debit card, or you can purchase using your routing number. You can do a direct transfer. And so once I just verify the account, so then you can select whether you're a business or whether you're an individual. Most people are just going to be individuals. And then they'll ask for verification of your phone number, for example, and you verify that. Then they'll send you a little code here. And so while I verify that, we're just walking you step by step through the process so you can see how simple it is. While we're doing that, we'll let Clint explain a little bit about how you can get free Bitcoins by inviting people using that invite button at the top there.
Yeah, the Vita friend is a very a good way for you to make money without having to spend any money. If you invite a friend to Coinbase, and that friend buys $100 worth of cryptocurrency, you will automatically get $10 sent to your Coinbase account. So that's a good thing. And as well as if they use your link to actually purchase those Bitcoins, they will get a small discount as well. So it works for both parties to actually use that invite friend.
Absolutely. And so in this video, if you're on our YouTube channel or on our Facebook live stream, you will see a link to our invite button. And so we ask that you please, use our invite button when you sign up. And so once you verify your email address and your telephone number, the last step there will be to enter in your banking information. And so you can use a bank account. With trades on your bank account, it usually takes about 4 to 5 days for them to process that transaction. And if you want to make larger purchases, you do have to use that bank account. And if you want to do smaller purchases, you can use a debit or credit card. There's a little bit of higher fee because we obviously know that credit card transactions charge fees for using that, which is one of the benefits of the cryptocurrency industry. As merchants, they're able to lower their transaction fees. And so you can select one or the other or both of these to purchase. And so once you do that, it asks you to upload identification. So you send a picture of your ID as well as yourself, and then it'll allow you to enter your credit card or banking information. And so once you do that, then you're able just to click on that buy and sell button, and then you just enter in the amount of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Litecoin that you want to purchase. And so extremely easy. All you got to do, hit the sign up button, type in your name, type in your information, verify your email address and your phone number, add your banking information under that add a payment method. Again, you can use a bank account or you can use a credit card information. And once you get that added on, they'll make a small deposit into your account for a penny or two. And you just log into your bank and it'll ask you to verify that amount. And whatever that particular amount is, you just type it in there so they can verify that you are the account holder. And that's for your security as well as their protection as well, just to make sure you are who you say you are. And once that's done, you're able just to click on that buy and sell, type in, I want to buy $100 worth of Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum, and it'll type in the amount for you. And from there, you're good to go. And so here you can see how it has the price of Bitcoin, and it shows you how much it's went up. And obviously, you want to buy.
That 50% is nice in 1 month.
Yeah, absolutely. So I mean, it's went up 50% in the last month, and you obviously want to buy when it's lower and sell when it's high. And we're going to have some other videos that's explaining, some basic beginner level how to read these charts and when to buy and when to sell. And here you can see whether it's how it's been doing for the last hour, what it's been doing daily, how it's been doing over the last week, over the last month, over the last year. You can see it's up over the last year. It's up 911%. And then you can do the overall history, and we see how it's went up from $13, below $13 in January of 2013, all the way up here. It's just been doing nothing but just growing. And so that's Coinbase for you. And again, you can buy Bitcoin, or you can click on that button for Ethereum, and you can purchase Ethereum as well. And you can purchase Litecoin as well. And so depending on what you're doing, depends on which coin you can purchase. And if you're buying them just to trade for different altcoins, sometimes it may be more beneficial to buy Litecoin or Ethereum, because right now they have a lower transaction fee for purchasing those coins. And so if you're planning on getting on an exchange and trading those out for different altcoins, some coins you can purchase with Ethereum and Litecoin, and other coins you'll only be able to purchase with Bitcoin. So do your research and figure out what coins you want to purchase. And if you can purchase those coins using Ethereum or Litecoin, it may be more cost effective to go in and purchase those with Ethereum or Litecoin versus Bitcoin. So depending on how that particular coin has been doing versus Ethereum and Litecoin will help determine which one is more likely for you to purchase. And so very, very simple, easy to use. They make it very user friendly. Again, with this site, a little bit different from the marketplace. You're buying directly from Coinbase versus a local Bitcoin. You're buying peer to peer from different individuals within that marketplace. With the company, the website on local Bitcoins, they serve as that escrow to protect you as the buyer as well as to protect the seller. They'll hold those coins until you said you paid, until the seller authorized and said, hey, I've received the money, go ahead and release those coins to the buyer. And so two different methods. One's buying from the company, the other one's buying from individuals who are selling their coin on that marketplace. And the great thing about Nolo Crypto, once our platform is launched and ready to go, is you'll have the ability to purchase and sell your Bitcoins directly to us, or you'll have the ability to buy peer-to-peer from different individuals as well. And so not only can you buy Bitcoin, you also can sell cryptocurrencies. Sound like we got a train going by there, but you also have...
I'm trying to find the mute button.
No problem, no problem. But also you have the ability to sell Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin rises, you say, hey, it's been going up, I want to sell and get out. You can sell that Bitcoin and that Ethereum or Litecoin on this site as well. And once you sell, you can either hold that money in US dollar on Coinbase until you're ready to purchase more when it drops, or you can have it transferred to your PayPal account, or you can have it transferred to your Bitcoin account. And so a lot of times, if you plan on buying more when it drops, then you can always just keep it on your Coinbase account, or you can have it transferred into another cryptocurrency, which is called Tether. And what Tether is, it's a cryptocurrency that's tied to the US dollar. And so different cryptocurrencies are based on different things. Some are based to physical assets. Some are tied to corporations or different companies. And then you have some like Tether that is actually tied to fiat money, whether it be US dollar, whether it be euro, etc. And so what they do is they attempt to their coins are more stable. It doesn't have the volatility, the ups and downs. And so what Tether attempts to do is always keep one Tether equal to $1. And so it's a way to store your money in a cryptocurrency without having to worry about it going down. And it won't go up either. Sometimes it slightly goes up. Maybe it's 99.99 of a dollar. And so it may go up, a fraction of a penny up and down. But for the most part, it's pretty stable on staying around that $1 mark. And so that's Coinbase, where you can buy and sell cryptocurrency. On here, you can only buy Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. Local Bitcoin, you can only buy and sell Bitcoin. That's the only cryptocurrency that you have the ability to purchase, which is another great thing about our site that's coming, is you'll have the ability to purchase dozens of different cryptocurrencies without having those layer of own fees. Because like we talked about, if you want to purchase Monero, or if you want to purchase Dash or Ripple, right now you have to purchase Bitcoin, and obviously you're charged, you're charged a transaction fee when you purchase that Bitcoin. And then once you try to transfer your Bitcoin from Coinbase to the exchange, then Coinbase, not only do they charge you to purchase your Bitcoins, then they charge you to transfer it to an exchange in order to buy a different cryptocurrency. And so then once your Bitcoin is on Poloniex or Bittrex or whatever that is, and we're going to show you how to use some of those exchanges in another video. But once you transfer there, then let's say you want to buy Dash or Ripple, then you're charged another transaction fee. And so essentially, if you want to buy Dash right now, you've had 3 sets of transactions fees just to get that fiat money over to Dash. And so that's 3 levels of fees. And so again, that's one of the benefits, and that's why we're starting no fee, low fee crypto, is because we want crypto traders and crypto enthusiasts to be able to keep more of their money without having to worry about fee after fee after fee after fee. And so we're combining this into one simple, easy to use platform. But in the meantime, I wouldn't let fees stop you from getting involved today if that's something you wanted to do, because obviously in the last month, 51.56% growth, which is, I mean, that's awesome. I look at, some investments that I have in mutual funds and different stocks in different companies, and I'm happy if I get 5, 6, 7, 8%. 10% in a year's growth is, I mean, that's awesome. But I mean, in the last year, you've had 912% growth. I mean, there's nothing else that's going to give you the upside of growth on your money like Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. And obviously, we're not financial advisors, but and no one can predict what the price of any cryptocurrency is going to be in a month or in a year. But if we look historically over time at what it's already done, obviously there's been tremendous growth from a fractional of a penny to $7,000 for one single Bitcoin. I mean, that's awesome growth within the industry. The industry, and it's still in its infancy, a lot of room to grow. And so another company here that we want to explain to you is BitQuick, and I'll let Clint kind of go into that a little bit more as well on how to use BitQuick.
BitQuick, one of my personal favorites. Definitely use it a lot. It's another peer-to-peer form of payment, and basically you just go on QuickBit. You launch a quick buy. You launch a quick buy, and you go in and let's say I wanted to do $100. So type in $100. On the bottom row, it'll show exactly how many Bitcoins I will get for that $100. So for $100 US, I will get 0.01 Bitcoin.
And so if you don't understand how that Bitcoin is broken up, make sure you go back on our playlist, and we have a video of understanding units, Satoshi, which is the units that Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are broken up into. So if you don't understand what is 0.0138 Satoshi, go to that video and we'll explain in detail exactly what that is, as well as some tools that you can easily type it in and they'll convert it for you as well. So
that's correct. You just type in the amount and you click next, and it'll bring you to the next screen. Click on the next for me. So you can use money transfer services or cash deposits. I usually pick the cash deposits. That way I can take the cash into the bank and actually deposit a specified amount into the account and receive my Bitcoins. And this tells you just how far along the industry has come. Years ago, and if banks knew that you had anything to do with Bitcoins or digital currencies, they wouldn't even accept your money. But now they have teamed up with BitQuicks, and they're offering services through their banks, which tells you where it's headed. They see that it basically went from a couple $100 to a couple $1,000 to $7,000, and they want to capitalize on on this space, and they don't want to miss out on any money as well. So basically, you would just click whichever bank is closer to you with the lowest rates. At the bottom, you can see the rate that they're charging per Bitcoin, and at the top, it'll tell which bank it is. So since Citibank has the lowest rate, we're going to go ahead and go with Citibank. And you would enter your state. This pretty much does every state except New York. New York has a bit license problem going on there, but as long as you're in any state except New York, you'll have access to purchase Bitcoins through BitQuicks. Type in your email address and verify your email address. And then you would type in or copy and paste your Bitcoin address. And whether you're sending your money directly to the exchanges or directly to your Bitcoin wallet, that's the address you would place in the second bar here, where it says your Bitcoin address. And that's where your Bitcoins will actually go to. And you just scroll down, click next, and the next screen after that, they'll show the account and routing number, the account number to deposit the money to, and you deposit those funds. And they will ask you to take they will have a link in your email, and they'll ask you to take a snapshot or a picture of that receipt from that bank to verify that you deposited those funds. And after you send out that receipt off, it says it takes up to 3 hours. I've never had to wait 3 hours. I usually receive my Bitcoins within 30 minutes, and you'll have your Bitcoins, and you're ready to trade or ready to store those Bitcoins and accumulate some wealth.
Absolutely, absolutely. Yeah, really quick and easy. BitQuick, a marketplace similar to localbitcoins.com. You're buying from individuals who post Bitcoins for sale. And you, as a new investor, this is something you can do as well. You can always buy low, and then you can get on here and you can sell those Bitcoins at a higher rate. It's people who, that's all they do. That's how they support themselves, is they buy low, and then they get on BitQuick or local Bitcoins and they sell high. And so, man, the industry has a lot of room for growth, a lot of opportunities to make substantial money in the industry. And so with that, man, we're glad that you gave us an opportunity to explain how to get on there and purchase Bitcoin. Our next video that we do is going to show you how to set up an account for an exchange and how to load your coins onto that exchange, how to find other cryptocurrencies on that exchange and how to purchase those. And so we'll also have a video coming up in the near future on how to read different charts and understand different buying signals and different selling signals in the market. Just kind of some basic beginner entry level reading different charts. So again, we're with Nolo Crypto, nolocrypto.info. You'll be able to get on our site, nolocrypto.info, and check it out. And you can get more information. Make sure when you go on that site, all you have to do is it's pulling up here. If you want to participate in our pre-ICO sale that we're having, click on that, and it'll take you to a contact form. Type in your information there, and what it'll do is it'll notify you right before we get ready to have that pre-ICO, and then we're going to have another regular ICO after that, offering our coin to the public. And so we truly believe that we're the future of cryptocurrency, offering our no fee and low fee cryptocurrency exchange. Again, we'll have our exchange. It'll also have a marketplace. Again, you see how we have our no fee, low fee policy. So on the exchange, you'll be able to buy and sell those cryptocurrency using local fiat, kind of like what we just showed you. On the marketplace, you'll be able to buy it there. We'll accept debit cards. You also accept bank transfers. We'll serve as an escrow service if you're buying from a different individual. We also have a multi-currency wallet that you'll be able to store multiple coins in your wallet. It'll give you convenience because not only will we have a desktop and a laptop access, but you'll also be able to access it from your mobile phone. If you've dealt in the cryptocurrency industry already, we know that a lot of these companies don't have apps to be able to conveniently use their service. And if they have a mobile version, a lot of times it's kind of clunky and hard to work with and hard to deal with. And so we're going to provide an easy platform to be able to do that. Within the wallet, you can instantly change currencies one for another. It's going to be extremely safe to use. Also, within our site, we're going to have a forum, so you'll be able to interact with other crypto traders and enthusiasts. If you have questions about different things in the crypto market, we'll also have news that'll explain different things in the industries. It'll have how-to videos, as well as market analysis, where they're breaking down different cryptocurrencies and analyzing the market, letting you know if this is a good time to buy, a good time to sell, and things of that nature. And again, one of the things we're definitely excited about is our crypto credit debit card. You'll be able to use that anywhere that MasterCard and Visa accept it. You'll be able to make withdrawals from ATMs around the world. You have the ability to convert your cryptocurrency and use it in US dollars, euros, and other fiat money, which is excellent. It gets you away from having to pay conversion fees. So if you're traveling overseas, instead of having to convert your US dollars into euros, what you can do is use your crypto debit card, and we convert that naturally within the system, so you don't have to worry about having those funds converted into a different currency. With the click of a button or selecting the currency that you're purchasing with, it's automatically, done for you. So go to our website, register if you want to buy our token in our pre-ICO. Also, nolocrypto.com. That's going to be the actual exchange. You can go ahead and sign up, get your username. You can also subscribe to our newsletter. Make sure you go on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. So as we're putting more and more videos out there about the cryptocurrency industry, that you'll have those coming up for you. And so we got a brand new Facebook that we've just launched. We don't have many friends or fans on it yet. We've just launched it, but our goal is by the end of the week for us to be up to 1,000. By the end of the month, we want to have 5,000 of our closest friends and fans on there. So go to Facebook, facebook.com/Nolo Crypto, and make sure that you like our fan page and like my page as well. Again, I'm Mr. Marketing. I specialize in marketing and advertising across multiple industries. I'm a serial entrepreneur, and so I have a lot of insight on how to advertise and market your business. So make sure you go on there and like my page as well, to check out my website, themrmarketing.com. You can get more information about marketing and advertising your business. We do website design, social media marketing. We do branding and graphic design, text message marketing, and many more things. And you can go to our site and get more information about that as well. So with that, I'll leave the departing words to my good partner and dear friend, Mr. Crypto.
Yeah. I mean, education is the key, man. Just stay tuned. The more you learn, the more and more money that you will want to invest in the cryptocurrency space, because it's all profit. I mean, up 900% just this year. I mean, it's outperformed every asset class across the globe. I mean, you name it, gold, oil. I mean, the real estate market, S&P 500, they're not even close. So definitely stay tuned in the cryptocurrency space and look for more opportunities with Nolo Crypto and Mr. Marketing here and myself to success and nothing less.
Man, with that, have a good evening. We're glad that you tuned in with us. Make sure and check out the other videos in our playlist. Subscribe to our news channel. Like us on Facebook. And make sure that when you like us on Facebook, this is what I want you to do. Once you like us, you can click on this button over here, and it'll allow you to show us first. It won't probably allow me to do it because I'm actually administrator on this page. But if you click where you see those three dots here, it'll give you the ability to show us first. So when you log into our Facebook, we'll be on the top of your news feed. So as soon as we get ready to do that pre-ICO, you'll be able to take advantage of it instantly. So with that, again, thank you for joining us in this quick video, and we'll have more to come soon. Thank you.